And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is another P Bandai item. And let's say, I think this is the last Firgure-rise standard kit for Kuuga. We have Master Rider Kuuga in his Titan form or Rising Titan form. So again, this is a kit wherein you can either build the Titan form or the Rising Titan one. So in the box art, we have here both forms displayed beautifully. I think this is in one episode where here he unlocked Titan form and is battling one Grongi that fires metallic spears at him. And this one, I think, is another episode. I just forgot what episode, where he unlocks a Titan in dual wielding mode. So, off to the side, we have here, yes, Kamen Rider Kuuga in his Titan form and all the gimmicks and poses that you can do with him, and finally converting it into Rising Titan. And on the other side, yep, we have here information about Titan and Rising Titan in the show. And of course, shots between the two of them and yep, what you can do with it, basically. So, let's take a look what's inside it. So first off, we have here the gold sprue here. Lastly seen when we opened firstly seen actually when we opened Amazing Mighty, and then it's still available or present in dragon form and in Pegasus form. We have a purple sprue and a black sprue here. Another bag, yeah, the standard Kuuga standard Kuuga sprue, the A sprue, and more black sprues here, plus the sticker sheet. Another bag with a gold sprue here. More sprues for Titan. So yep, the gray when it is in Titan form, it's just gray with a purple outline, but when it becomes Rising Titan, it becomes all purple with gold accents. Last sprue here, last bag contains a gray sprue, black sprue, and the standard stand. And last and not the least, we have the instruction manual. So let's take a look at the sprues individually. So first we have the A plate. Again, this A plate was present from Mighty, Amazing Mighty, Mighty Decade, and of course Kuuga in dragon form and Pegasus form, with the only varying color is this part. For today, or in this kit, it's purple because of Titan is purple. Then we have the B1. Yeah, B1, and of course we also have a B2, which is all black, and this consists mainly, this is part of the legs, and some parts here are for the joints, the elbow joints and everything. We do not have a C, oh no, we have a C2, which is again first seen in Amazing Mighty, in the kit of Amazing Mighty, and then was seen again in the Dragon and Rising Dragon, as well as in the Pegasus and Rising Pegasus, where most of the gold parts of Kuuga is here. Yeah, the gold parts for his arms and legs, face, and of course when he goes rising. We have a D2, which is all gray. When Kuuga transforms into Titan, he's just plain gray. We have a G2. So this is the armor parts for Titan. We also have a G3, where the previous G2 here, as you can see, was gray, but now it's purple because when he goes into Rising Titan, colors of this armor become purple. So that's G3 there. We have a, sorry, before G3 we actually have an F3, which is all black. So some extra manipulators, the shoulder pads. And then lastly, I think we have the, no, not yet lastly, we still have one more gold frame or gold sprue, the I1, where most of this is actually the gold accents when he goes into Rising Titan. And we have I2. I2 here is actually the accents when he is still in Titan form. Because in Titan, again, his armor is gray with purple accents, and when it goes to Rising, it's purple with golden accents. And of course, we have the stickers here. And yes, lastly, the instruction manual. Of course, we can't forget the standard stand. That is always available and present in all of the standard Firgure-rise kits. And there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the P Bandai kit of Kamen Rider Kuuga Titan / Titan Rising form. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and sharing the videos. And this is Mixerwars telling. Until next time, see you and thank you.